Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dipshika, and if you watched my previous video wherein I tried stick-on nails for the first time, unfortunately the glue that came along with it wasn't that great. I mean, it came with like sticker sort of a thing that was not working. I mean, it did not stick me well. It did not even last me for even a night, I would say. So I ordered, as I promised on YouTube, I ordered nail glue. I think it's from Miss Claire. I ordered this, I guess, like a month ago, but I haven't even unboxed it. I haven't even seen. I just kept on procrastinating, like applying stick-ons. And today is a Sunday. It's a self-care day. I washed my hair. I took good care. I waxed my body, and I felt like, let's try stick-ons as well. So let's begin. So this is the lash glue. I'll try to tone down the brightness a little bit. Yeah. So this is the lash glue. As you can see, it's from Miss Claire. It costed me around 160 rupees, I guess, or 200 rupees. The MRP is 275. I got it from Nykaa. I'll open this as well. It says super strong instant nail glue. Stick artificial nails within 5 seconds. Okay. Used with cover nails, false nails, tip wraps, and natural nails. Constantly repairs, breaks, and tears. Okay. Constantly repairs, breaks, and tears. Apply evenly to get proper bonding and prevent from air pockets. Okay. I'll keep that in mind. Okay. I'll see how to use. Remove nail polish and clean nails thoroughly. Apply 1 drop of glue to the split or broken nails or nail tip. Spread evenly with brush applicator. Hold the break or tip together with gentle pressure for 5 seconds. After each use, replace cap tightly. So yes, this is the nail glue. These are the nails. I got it from a local market for I think 100 rupees, 100 or 150, I forgot. Or you can check out my previous video. These are the exact nails that I tried. The sticker quality was very bad. I mean, the nail quality is fine, but the sticker quality was very bad. So it did not stick in the beginning also, and it did not. I applied nail paint like in between, so hoping that it would stick. Nothing worked, and so I ordered nail glue because I really wanted to try stick-ons. Okay, so first we will arrange the nails according to our nail shape, so that will save our time. Yeah, I changed my camera angle a little bit. I am sitting on the ground, you must be aware of that. This is a table that I got from Amazon for decor, and I'm using it to like pin. Sorry, I'm using it as a something, please understand. So we are opening this after we've arranged it all together. Okay, and now we're going to begin. Says that it dries out really fast, so I'm going to do this as quickly as possible. And I'm going to hold it for 5 seconds. I think this will also help me give you a review of the Miss Claire nail glue. When I searched on Nykaa, I think there weren't any other options. This was the only viable option. I don't remember, since it was like way back. It's been more than a month, I think. So I don't remember honestly, but this was the only trustable brand perhaps. Going with my second set of nails. Okay, the previous one did not stick. I think I have to apply a thicker layer because the thumb finger did not stick. Or maybe I have to like press it tighter. I'm going to apply the third one, and this time I'm going to keep it a little bit thicker. Like I wiped it thinking कि नेल पेंट के साथ जैसा हम करते हैं ना, मैंने वैसे किया था इसके साथ, तो मतलब एकदम पतला इवन कोट. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू दैट दिस टाइम. आई एम गोइंग टू होल्ड इट अ लिटिल बिट लॉन्गर. ऑनेस्टली थोड़ा सा मेरे हाथ में चिपक गया था, तो मुझे इससे ना वो सी दिस फिंगर ना, ये थोड़ा स्टिकी है, तो ये मुझको क्या था वो, फेविक्विक जैसा वाइब्स दे रहा है. या गॉट इट. You have to apply a thick layer for it to stick. Obviously, like ना sticky तो नहीं होगा कि वो ऐसे ही चिपक जाएगा. So I did a like full job by applying such a patla layer. So I'm going with my thumb fingernails again, and applying a thicker layer this time, and going to press it. अच्छे से. So as I do this, let me know. What can you let me know? You don't talk to me. Actually, nobody really watches my videos, honestly. तो मेरे साथ बात ही कौन करेगा? But if you're still watching this video now, of even like if 10 people are watching this video, please do drop a comment down below, because I really want to know. I'm trying to create a family, YouTube family, right? And I want to know who are a part of this family. So please, I tried to match these nails with my top. No, I tried to match my top with these nails. So red. So please drop red hearts below if that is not too cheesy, or anything. Just let me know which part of the country you're from. It would mean like a lot to me, please. Anyway, so other than that, what is up with you? Yesterday I posted a vlog sort of a thing, wherein I give you a life update. I talk about like what was happening with my life. So I'm going home next week, like next Friday. I'm supposed to reach at night, so you can say Saturday almost. So I'm excited about that. I'm really looking forward to like just relaxing and everything. For people like us, we don't really get to enjoy vacations as such. हमारे लिए घर का ट्रिप ही relaxing होता है. And I understand for people who live with family, तो कभी कभी क्या होता है, घर में इतने झगड़े होते हैं विद फैमिली, या फिर मतलब कुछ स्पेस नहीं मिलता है, या कुछ घर का काम इतना सारा होता है, तो पीपल नीड वेकेशन एज वेल. आई ऑल्सो नीड दैट. बट मेरे लिए वो वाले वेकेशन से ज़्यादा ना ये घर वाला वेकेशन ज़्यादा थेरेप्यूटिक होता है, बिकॉज आई मीट माई ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स आर इन गुवाहाटी. आई मीट माई फ्रेंड्स देयर, एंड उनके साथ बात करो, फैमिली के साथ, माई क्लोज रिलेटिव्स, उनके साथ बात करो, हंसी मजाक करो ना, तो सारा स्ट्रेस दूर हो जाता है. एंड जब वापस आओ तो बहुत बुरा लगता है, तब लगता है यार गुवाहाटी में जॉब मिल जाती तो वही सही होता. एनीवेज, आई फील कि I won't be in Delhi for long. Like I have this gut feeling कि I'm going to not be in Delhi for some reason. I don't know. Anyways, मेरा plan तो है switch करने का, but not now. Towards the year end. Pause. These are how my nails look like. Not very aesthetic, but I wanted to do this basically. These feel really sturdy. I think they last like quite some time because they are really sticky. मतलब एकदम हार्ड से हो गए हैं, तो आई थिंक दीज आर ग्रेट. विल गो अहेड विद द नेक्स्ट like my right hand, and these I deliberately chose like shorter nails because I wanted it to be short honestly, क्योंकि मतलब रेगुलर काम. oh by the way, it's not the right time to apply nails क्योंकि कल से मेरी कुक नहीं आ रही है, so I have to cook, I have to chop veggies, तो आई एम नॉट श्योर. या दीज आर शॉर्ट राइट, तो उसमें कुकिंग में कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी नहीं, थैंक गॉड. आई एक्चुअली चोज शॉर्टर नेल्स बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. या फिर ना लॉन्गर नेल्स में ना टाइप करने में भी दिक्कत होती है, फ़ोन टाइप करना या लैपटॉप, तो आई थिंक इट इज़ एन एक्वायर्ड लाइक यू गेट यूज टू इट लेटर ऑन राइट. तो मैंने कभी लगाया नहीं था, तो मुझको किसी एक फ्रेंड ने बताया था कि उसमें दिक्कत होती है, तो इसीलिए आई वांटेड शॉर्टर नेल्स. एंड दीज आर नॉर्मल, इतना तो मैं खुद ही मतलब मेरे नाखून लंबे कर लेती हूँ. So this is going to work. Now quickly let's assemble the next set of nails. Now this is just for like trial. So now that I know like that this glue works, so I'm going to purchase more such stick-ons, and these are reusable as well, right? So maybe I can repeat them also na, if I apply them, change them weekly, तो मैं महीने में एक बार तो यूज़ कर ही सकती हूँ. if I have like 4 different sets, क्योंकि nail paint तो उतने का ही आता है, and they don't even last you for a week. I honestly don't know how much will these last me, so I'll have to see. And plus इस हफ्ते में तो मैं घर का काम भी करूँगी, like पोछा, साफ़ सफाई and everything, if I get the time obviously, otherwise I'll just do झाड़ू basically, क्योंकि फ्राइडे को तो मैं जा ही रही हूँ. तो I'll see अगर वैसा होता है, मतलब if these last me even after me doing all the household chores, then I'll know कि हाँ this is a really great thing, and over the time I'll know कि how like safe these glues are for your nails. Glue is for your nails, because I'm not sure, जैसे मैंने देखा था कि जो gel nail paint होता है, acrylics या whatever stick on extensions, they are harmful for your nails, right? So I'm not really sure how these like what impact will these have on my nails, but ठीक है. And अगले हफ्ते तो I'll be meeting my nephew. तो he's a kid, he's 4 months now. So I'll not apply stick-ons or anything because he's a baby, I don't want to hurt him. So tabhi I'll just keep my natural nails. So this is the perfect week for me to try stick-ons. By Friday, I guess they'll come out by Friday. Let's see. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you updated in the comment section. So yes, if I'm going to comment on my own video, why can't you? You also must comment, okay? Please do. Please interact with me. I want to build an online community, like not a. I just want to talk to. You will be thinking like, how lonely is she? Like just talking to the camera and everything. But I'm really enjoying it. Like, what else do I have to do on weekends? But today I was very productive, honestly, because I had this bunch of bananas lying in my kitchen, and they almost went bad. I mean, they were like too ripe to be eaten. Otherwise, I do not have a microwave oven. Otherwise, I would have baked a cake or something. तो मैंने क्या किया, उसको oats flour के साथ, मतलब basically you just grind the oats into fine powder like flour. तो मैंने उसको बनाना के साथ मतलब मैश करके थोड़ा सा बेकिंग सोडा डाला, cinnamon powder डाला, and I made like pancakes from those. Like not pancakes, like मतलब वैसा कंसिस्टेंसी तो नहीं था उसका बैटर का, बट समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. तो आई मेड दैट. आई वाज रियली प्राउड ऑफ मी कि आई डिड नॉट हैव टू थ्रो लाइक बनानाज अवे, बिकॉज अभी समर्स है ना, तो वो बहुत जल्दी ख़राब हो जाते हैं. तो एनीवेज आई डिड दैट. उसके बाद मैंने क्या किया, उसके बाद मैंने किया, हाँ, अपने बालों में दही लगाया. सो आई एक्चुअली ट्राइड इट फॉर माई सेल्फ. लाइक आई न्यू that lemon is very good for your hair, मतलब dandruff. I have a very bad dandruff issue, yaar. I don't know why. Like I do use anti-dandruff and everything sometimes, but it comes back again. So I was not very happy with, I think it's a fungal infection or something, like the dandruff comes back, keeps recurring. So whenever I've applied lemon and yogurt or curd, it really helps. My scalp feels so much fresh. Like otherwise, even after washing my hair like so thoroughly with the scalp massager, the dandruff would still remain. Like my scalp would feel very dry, something like flaky. पता नहीं क्या situation था. I oil my hair. कहीं पे बोलते कि oiling is bad for dandruff, कहीं पे बोलते it's good because you have dry scalp. I have no clue. But being an Indian girl, I cannot do without oiling my hair. I always oil my hair before hair wash. Mostly yes, I always oil. तो हाँ, तो आज I got the time, तो मैंने curd, लेमन एंड हेयर ऑयल जो था मेरे पास, थोड़ा कैस्टर ऑयल एंड एलोवेरा जेल का एक हेयर मास्क बनाया, वो लगाया ना. माई हेयर फील्स लाइक सो सॉफ्ट. आई जस्ट केम आउट ऑफ द शावर लिटिल वाइल अगो. तो मेरे बाल अभी गीले हैं एंड दीज आर लाइक माई एक्चुअल लाइक क्या बोलते हैं कर्ल्स. मतलब मैंने स्क्रंच वंच कुछ नहीं किया था. दिस इज़ हाउ माई हेयर ड्राइज आउट ऑनेस्टली, बट ये कर्ल्स होल्ड नहीं करते. सो आई एम प्लानिंग टू ट्राई फ्यू मोर कर्ली हेयर प्रोडक्ट्स. मतलब जिस दिन मैं हेयर वॉश करती हूँ उस दिन तो कर्ली रहता है, but then it goes away and just basically that's it. तो हाँ, my hair is like that, curly थोड़ा, क्या baby बोलो, I don't know. तो हाँ, yes, that is the update. I took care of my hair and my skin. I waxed my body and then I also cleaned my washroom along with it. Like जो भी tiles वगैरह होता है ना, सब मैंने साफ़ करा. And now I'm going to prepare lunch also. I asked my lunch to make chana, kala chana, but I wanted to make dal on my own. On weekends I try to cook something or the other, like that keeps me sane. I love cooking, not always, but sometimes I do enjoy cooking. So I'm going to make my regular dal and chawal, and I'm going to eat it with kala chana a little bit, and the rest of the kala chana I'll have at night. For that I'll also have to prepare papad. I'll not prepare papad, I mean, you understand what I'm trying to say, like roast papad. Because I had aloo bhaja yesterday, so I don't want to have bhaja again. But I really love aloo bhaja, yaar, that's so tasty. Anyways, these are my final nails. These are how my nails look like. Not very aesthetic, but I like it. Did something for no. But I like it for the first time. Like it's a great thing, and my nails also feel very sturdy. You have to apply a thick layer of it for it to stick. मैंने पहले बहुत पतला लेयर लगाया था, जैसे नेल पेंट लगाते हैं ना, मैंने वैसे किया था, तो इसीलिए स्टिक नहीं हुआ था, बट अदरवाइज इट्स ग्रेट एंड आई थिंक इट विल, सॉरी इट नॉट क्लोज इट, यू हैव टू कीप इट लाइक वेरी टाइटली क्लोज करके रखना, इट विल ईजिली लास्ट यू लाइक, आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक इट शुड लास्ट यू लाइक 6 times तो मिनिमम लास्ट कर ही जाएगा. तो आई बाय अ फ्यू मोर स्टिक-ऑन्स एंड आई अपडेट यू अबाउट इट लाइक हाउ दे परफॉर्म. आई ऑल्सो हैव अ वाइट वन, मतलब एकदम प्लेन वाइट, वो थोड़े लंबे हैं तो मैं उस पर भी ट्राई करूँगी. एंड आई स्टार्ट माई लाइक नेल stick-on series if that works. And anyways, I love you so much, thanks for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. I don't know what that will be about, most probably a life update or any recipe that I would want to share, because I am really enjoying Assamese boiled chicken and I don't know if it's Assamese or Bengali, because my mom also makes that like roasted tomatoes. I'll share that with you as well, maybe sooner or later. And again, I love you so much. I'll see you again. Bye bye.